Cute hat? Nope. Capuchins wear brains like a crown. Capuchins are New World monkeys found in Central and South America. They average 3 to 9 pounds and have that iconic dark cap. These guys are tool users, rocks to crack nuts, sticks to poke for bugs, basically tiny inventors, super social. They live in troops of up to 35, grooming, playing, cooperating, smart enough to learn tricks, solve puzzles, and even use simple tools in the wild. Diet is omnivorous: fruit, insects, small vertebrates, and the occasional egg. Remember, they're wild animals, not pets. Enjoy on camera, don't make them your roommate. Like and follow for more wild facts.